The universe is vast, with an estimated 1022 stars. Yet is Earth the only place that holds life? While science is gradually uncovering exciting possibilities about the existence of extraterrestrial life, the question of whether we are alone in the universe continues to provoke deep thought among humanity. With millions of planets orbiting billions of stars, the probability of life beyond Earth is a possibility we cannot ignore. Recent scientific discoveries about distant worlds, such as Mars, Europa, and Enceladus moons of Jupiter, are opening new doors to the potential for life. Although we have yet to find any extraterrestrial beings, the presence of water and organic compounds on these planets raises an intriguing question. If one day we meet aliens, what will we do? Critical question arises, will humanity be ready to embrace these differences? Or will we react with fear and defensiveness? Can we cooperate and learn from them, or will we view them as potential threats? Theories like the Drake equation, along with the research of scientists such as Carl Sagan and Frank Drake, suggest that the likelihood of extraterrestrial life is quite high. If alien civilizations have developed to the point where they could communicate with us, the question then becomes, how would they perceive us? Would it lead to cooperation, or would conflict be inevitable? The dark forest theory proposed by physicist Liu Cixin suggests that the silence of the universe and may be a way for extraterrestrial civilizations to protect themselves from the potential threats of other civilizations. They could be observing us, but are not yet ready to reveal their existence. Picture an alien creature that resembles a human, hands with flexible fingers, a complex brain, and a body evolved to survive in an environment similar to Earth. Sounds reasonable, right? However, the truth is far more complex. Experts like Neil deGrasse Tyson, along with many scientists, point out that if extraterrestrial life exists, it may possess forms and structures that are entirely different from anything we can imagine. According to the principle of form follows function, extraterrestrial life would evolve characteristics suited to their specific environment. If an alien creature needed to interact with the world in a way similar to us, it's highly probable that they would have fingers, a sophisticated brain, and a body capable of surviving in their surroundings. However, this is all conjecture, because if life developed on a planet with a radically different environment from Earth, the creatures could look completely different. On a planet with low gravity, alien creatures might evolve wings and soar through the sky like massive floating beings. No need for legs to move. And on a planet with high gravity, however, life forms might develop compact, sturdy bodies with specialized skeletons to withstand the intense gravitational pull. These characteristics aren't just a flight of fancy. They are plausible outcomes under extremely different conditions. With convergent evolution, a concept in evolutionary biology, we understand that even if extraterrestrial beings don't look like us, they may still evolve similar traits if the conditions of their environment demand it. They could have eyes to see, brains to process and react to their surroundings. But the big question remains, do they need eyes? Do they need a brain like ours? Or could they survive without these features? Humanity has always been fascinated by the cosmos, especially with the question of whether life exists beyond Earth. So, are we on the verge of discovering life within our very own solar system? The solar system is not short of potential candidates. Mars, the most closely studied planet, might harbor life beneath its surface. Data from rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance suggest that underground water could exist beneath the planet's crust. The presence of water, an essential building block for life, reinforces the hope that microorganisms may have once thrived, or possibly still exist under the surface of Mars planet. But Mars isn't the only contender. Moons of Jupiter, such as Europa and Enceladus, are catching the attention of scientists. Europa, covered by a thick layer of ice with a deep ocean beneath, may hold the perfect environment for life. Data from recent missions show that chemical activity and warmth from volcanic activity beneath the surface could support life, sparking hope for extraterrestrial life beyond Earth. Similarly, Enceladus, with its geysers blasting water into space, might also carry signs of life beneath its icy crust. However, not all planets in our solar system are viable for supporting life. Mercury and Venus, with their extreme temperatures and toxic atmospheres, seem almost impossible to harbor any form of life. Yet with constant discoveries, scientists remain open to the possibility of surprises. So, could alien life be much closer than we think, right within our own solar system? Perhaps one day we will uncover signs of life in environments we once deemed inhospitable. Such a discovery would not only open new possibilities for life in the universe, but would also raise the profound question of what humanity would do when faced with it. Thousands of exoplanets have been discovered by astronomers over the past few decades, but the crucial question remains: is there a planet out there like Earth capable of sustaining life? The universe continues to open new doors, and we, the small beings on this planet, are gradually exploring the possibility of life beyond our own solar system. With the aid of advanced telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, we are now able to observe the atmospheres of far-off planets. This not only enhances our understanding of their atmospheric composition, but also opens up the opportunity to detect signs of life. One of the most important clues scientists are searching for is the presence of biosignatures, compounds that can only be produced by life. For example, dimethyl sulfide, DMS, is a biological compound that can only be produced by living organisms in environments where life exists. Discovered in Earth's atmosphere, DMS could become a key marker when searching for life on exoplanets. The prospect of finding life beyond our solar system becomes more achievable as we have powerful tools like the Webb telescope, which can closely examine the characteristics of these exoplanets. If biosignatures are detected, they could serve as proof that we are not the only life forms in this vast universe. These distant planets, though far away, might harbor civilizations waiting to be uncovered, potentially offering great inspiration for science, technology, and mysterious encounters in the future. The universe with its endless expanse holds countless mysteries yet to be unraveled. While we have yet to find concrete evidence of extraterrestrial life, humanity's journey into space is still in its infancy. We tiny creatures on Earth are gradually stepping beyond our world, bearing with us boundless curiosity and hope. Space exploration is not an end, but the beginning of a long, remarkable journey. Humanity has begun to uncover planets that could potentially harbor life, such as those located in the habitable zones of sun-like stars. We'll continue to reach further, knowing that this journey holds many strange and unpredictable wonders. One day, perhaps, we will no longer be alone in this vast cosmos.